Layout and hierarchy. Layout refers to the positioning of elements on your web page, whereas hierarchy refers to the importance of them. We talked earlier about alignment, but where on the web page would you align your elements? Studies have shown that users follow an F pattern. That's why you see most of the websites which are on English language starts from the top left with the logo and then things follow the F pattern. Hierarchy, on the other hand, shows the importance of different elements of your web page. For example, bigger text shows more importance. Popping colors shows more importance. A layout without hierarchy feels flat, and there are several ways with which you can assign importance to your elements. For example, larger items are more important and eye-catching. Colors, more saturated colors, are more visible than the low contrast ones. Items placed in the upper left corner have more importance, hence positioning. Items with more contrast will be more eye-catching than items with low contrast. Items with more white space around them appear more important. Typeface selection can be indicator of hierarchy. Using one font for your header and another for your content can create visual hierarchy. For now, we have been talking about some visual elements which help you improve your design. But all of these principles are applied to your content. If your content is not good, there is no reason to apply these principles. Studies have shown that the user attention span has been reducing. Especially in the case of online media such as websites, we have a very short piece of user attention. So make sure that you use it wisely. Web pages are not like books, so user won't pay much attention to your content. Make sure you are using simple words, which are easy to use and are eye-catching. A few ways to achieve this is to make sure that you have shorter paragraphs. Only limit to 2 to 3 sentences per paragraph. In case you cannot break your paragraph into 2 to 3 sentences, make sure you convert them into bullet points. In addition to bullet points, one way to go one level above is to make sure you highlight the important parts in the bullet points. These work as headings for your bullet points. Another study has shown that the user will skim through your web page once, go through the headings which they can see, and then come back and read them in detail. So make sure you are using hierarchy and make sure your content is simple enough that it catches the user's eye. One quick note about headings and the content is to make sure that you are not talking about features if you are selling a product or a service. Make sure you are talking about benefits. As they say in marketing terms, that users don't buy your features, they buy the outcome. So as far as you are describing what users will get out of your product instead of your features, you will be in a good spot.